Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this amazing, very rare Skoda vRS estate. It's in lovely condition, absolutely unmarked diamond cut black alloy wheels. So the paintwork's in lovely condition. Hard to pick up a nice estate that's not been knocked about. It's got rear park distance control, twin exhausts, vRS, drives absolutely beautifully. As you can see, it's in lovely condition. These have a huge boot on them as well. Absolutely massive boot space. Lots of leg room as well. So we've got the half leather vRS embossed seats with a red stitch piping. Nice bit of carbon effect around here. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, vRS embossed front seats. Nowhere on the bolster at all. Auto headlights, done 102 020 miles. Multifunction steering, nice leather vRS steering wheel, flat bottomed, cruise control, satellite navigation, got the vRS driving mode there as well. So we've got navigation, full menu, as you can see, twisting through all there, media command. Like DOB, Bluetooth connectivity, AUX and a USB, 6-speed armrest here, park distance control as well. Really is in lovely condition for its age and mileage. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.